Hello guys, today we see a interesting topic in this video. We already watched video thumbnail before clicking this video. I request one more word guys. After seeing this video you have to question in the comment box, then I will replies for your comments. Based on this video topic. Let's begin the show. Human brain weighs about 1.5 kilograms, 3.3 pounds, and is larger in relation to body size. It is the most complex part of the body in human that is responsible to control thoughts, memory and speech, legs and arm movements along with the many functions within the body. The brain is located inside the cranium. Cranium is the bony covering that protects the brain from external injury. The nervous system. The nervous system in human is divided into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system comprises of brain, its cranial nerves and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system comprises of autonomous nervous system, divisible into the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and the spinal nerves that branch from the spinal cord. Cells of the human brain. The brain is composed of two types of cells, i.e. nerve cells, neurons, and glial cells, also termed as neuroglia or glia. 1. Nerve cells, neurons. Neurons vary in shape and size, however they all consist of cell body, dendrites and axon. The neuron transmits the information via the electrical and chemical signals. The transmission of information is mediated by a gap called as synapse. Dendrites are the arms that plays role as antennae picking up messages from other nerve cells. The neurotransmitter, after crossing the synapse, fit into special receptors on the receiving nerve cell, that stimulates that cell to convey the message. 2. Glial cells. These are about 10 to 50 times more glial cells than the neurons. Glial cells are responsible for nourishing the neurons. It also aids for the protection as well as structural support to neurons. What are the types of glial cells, astroglia or astrocytes? They are the nurse cells and aids in regulating the blood-brain barrier, permitting the nutrients to make contact with neurons. They regulate homeostasis, and also have impact on electrical impulses. They are also engaged in defense and repair of neurons. Oligodendroglia cells forms myelin that aids in the fast transport of electrical impulses. Ependymal cells secrete cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, and line the ventricles. Microglia cells are the macrophages of brain that are responsible for invading and cleaning up debris. How is the brain protected in the body? The brain is contained in the skull, where a layer of fluid called cerebrospinal fluid is suspended. CSF is a transparent watery substance and is produced within the channels in the brain called as ventricles. Major portion of CSF is produced by the choroid plexus. Choroid plexus is a specialized structure within each ventricle. It protects the brain from mechanical shocks and jolts that are mild. In addition, it also plays minor immunological functions and provides the brain's necessary nutrients. Ventricles in brain. There are 4 ventricles of brain that are connected to each other by foramen and tubes. Lateral ventricles. First and second, these are 2 ventricles that are enclosed in the cerebral hemispheres. Third ventricle. It is located at the center of the brain and its wall are made up of the thalamus and hypothalamus. There is a pineal gland behind the third ventricle. It helps control the inner clock and circadian rhythms of the body through the secretion of melatonin. In sexual growth, it has some function. Fourth ventricle. It is located posterior or dorsal to the pons and medulla oblongata and is anterior to the cerebellum. The first and second ventricle connects with the third ventricle through a distinct opening termed as the foramen of Monro. The communication between the third and the fourth ventricle takes place via the aqueduct of Sylvius, that is a long tube. Thanks a lot for clicking this video to watch to gain your knowledge from knowledge is a power. Thank you guys, have a nice day, stay tuned to gain more knowledge. And don't forget to do like, share and subscribe. That's it guys, bye bye, take care.